Begin by finding a comfortable and quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a relaxed position, either on a chair or on the floor, with your hands resting gently on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, slowly exhaling to release any tension. Allow yourself a few moments to settle into this space. Focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with air. And exhale slowly, letting go of any worries or stress. With each breath, feel more relaxed and centered. Imagine that each inhale brings calmness, and each exhale releases what no longer serves you. As you continue to breathe deeply, set your intention for this meditation. Today, you will visualize the process of rebuilding your life, piece by piece, filled with joy and fulfillment. This is a journey of constructing a future that resonates with who you truly are. Imagine yourself standing in front of a large, empty plot of land. A blank canvas for you to build your new life. See yourself holding the blueprint of your life in your hands. This blueprint is unique to you, detailed with your aspirations, your dreams, and your desires. Begin to visualize laying the foundation. Each stone you lay is a commitment to your goals and dreams. See yourself building the walls with care and precision. Each brick representing a step towards your future. Visualize painting the walls in colors that bring you peace and happiness. See windows being installed, allowing light to stream in, filling your new space with warmth and clarity. Decorate this space with items that bring you comfort and remind you of joyful moments. Imagine planting a garden around your new home. Each plant and flower symbolizing the growth and new beginnings in your life. See yourself standing in the doorway of this house, feeling proud and content with what you've built. Take a few moments to walk around the house. Reflect on the journey that led you here, the challenges you faced, and the triumphs you celebrated. With each step inside this house, feel the stability and security of your new life. This is your creation, built from your strength, your resilience, and your vision. As this visualization comes to an end, slowly bring your focus back to your breathing. Take a deep breath in, feeling energized and hopeful about your future. Exhale slowly, feeling grounded and assured in the present moment. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. You carry with you the peace and confidence from this meditation into your daily life, ready to continue building your journey.